When a Frigidaire AC is not cooling, the issue is often due to clogged air filters, dirty condenser coils, or a faulty dual-run capacitor. To address these problems, start by cleaning the air filters. Begin by unplugging the AC. Then open the filter compartment and remove the air filter. Use a vacuum cleaner with an upholstery attachment to remove excess debris and dust. And gently wash the filter with warm water and mild soap. Allow the filter to dry completely before reattaching it. If it's too dirty, consider replacing it. Once the filter is clean, restore power to the AC and check if the issue persists. If the problem remains, proceed to clean the condenser coils, which are usually located at the back or side of the unit. Turn off the AC. Then use compressed air and a vacuum cleaner to remove debris and dust for stubborn stains. Use water and mild detergent. After cleaning the coils, restore power and check if the AC is now cooling properly. If not, inspect the dual-run capacitor. With the AC unplugged, remove the cabinet and front grille to access the capacitor. Before removing it, use needle nose pliers to discharge the capacitor. A damaged capacitor will be visibly bulgy. Replace the faulty part, reassemble the unit, and test the AC. Throughout the process, be sure to consult the manual for guidance, and take necessary precautions to ensure a successful repair.